What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Kerry Too Smooth. If you're watching this, that means you really want to learn how to play R&B on this guitar. So I want to show you how to really do that. And today I want to talk about using the song Because I Love You by Lenny Williams, but I'm going to do it in the key of C today. And the reason why I like to do C because it gives us the most real estate to really work around. But I want to talk about not just only playing the song, but other elements that you can work on within that same progression in order to enhance what you're doing. What I'm talking about is we can do a palm muting. We can talk about adding a passing chord with a diminished chord, and we can also talk about like doing different kind of chord progressions, like different kind of not diminished rundowns, but triad rundowns in order to kind of fuse it all together. So I want to do like a brief overview. If you like what you're watching and what you're seeing, please leave a comment and just rewatch the video as many times or whatever, and then share with your friends because we need as many people as possible to come join the family over here at our YouTube channel. All right, so let's get in. I've been talking a lot, I've been rambling or whatever, so let's get in. So this is the riff that we want to do. Dun 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 dun. Blah ba da ba 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 ba. So the same off of the A minor. You want to do the hammer on? So we're just really staying in that same pocket, right? So I'm going to use the numbers. If you're not that well versed in the number system, I highly encourage you to check out some of the courses that I have on Kerry's Camp so you can understand what I'm talking about. So we're doing the 2, 6, 3, back to 6. Passing chord. That C sharp diminished 7. Now we're going to do this walk up with blop, blop, blop. We're going to go to that 4. So again, off of that 6, off of that 3, on to that 4, diminished 7, flat 2, diminished 7. So you're hearing that kind of palm muting. I'm just really resting my hands on the bridge to really kind of give it that kind of muted sound. To work on the dynamics when I'm playing. Now we want to do that whole, I was talking about the triad walk down. Like, so think about three blind mice. You got timing, so. If you gotta loop that section, you can make that a whole vibe by itself. You can take all of these different exercises and fuse them together to make one master exercise where you're working on a lot of these different techniques. These are the techniques with the song like that. Because I Love You, an old school kind of feel good song that you can take and really start to modernize it and put a whole lot of different kind of feels in whatever you're doing. I'm telling you, if you challenge yourself and you start working on the different nuances of learning stuff like this and put it together, you're going to be a really, really solid guitarist. So I'm telling you, practice these principles, not just once a week or whatever, just as much as you possibly can, because the more you can do it and get it underneath your hands, the more it'll be ingrained into your psyche, and then the easier it'll be for you to play. It doesn't matter if it's a Les Paul, Strat, PRS, Gibson, doesn't matter what the brand is, you'll be able to play. You'll be able to pick up an acoustic guitar and play the same exact things. I challenge you to do so, and I want to hear about your success. So leave a comment, subscribe, click the bell to know you're notified so you're always knowing when we're dropping that new heat. All right, love you guys, and I'll talk to you guys soon.
To get more help with your guitar journeys, watch these videos.